Hello and welcome to a new video from CircuitDigest. In this video, we'll be talking about a very interesting project. And if you're making a PCB project or planning to do so in near future, then this can be a perfect project for you. And by the looks itself, you must be knowing that we are making an Arduino-based touch capacitive piano with record and replay functionality. This is a very easy, simple project which you can make easily. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make it from scratch. I'll be giving you the schematics and also how you can code this thing. I'll provide the code in the link below. But before that, I'll have to mention the fabricators of these awesome PCBs and also the sponsors of these videos. PCB Ways. PCB Way provides high quality and cost effective PCB prototyping and fabrication services. They are well equipped to handle advanced and standard PCB designs and are capable of providing assembly stencils and PCB assembly services. They have extremely short lead times and great customer services, and they also support the maker community. So do consider trying the services for your next PCB project. Now jumping to a product. From the name, you can easily understand that the working is based on capacitance. A capacitor is a passive component having two conductors separated by a dielectric medium. Capacitance is given by C equals to epsilon A by D, where A is the area of dielectric and D is the distance between them. Now in this case, the pad is working as the first medium. The region between pad and the finger is acting as the dielectric medium, and our fingers are acting as the second conductor. So when we touch, the capacitance changes, and that's how we play the piano. The heart of the system is this Arduino Nano, which is powered by this battery. It is a 18650 lithium ion cell. We have a charger module, few passive components. Apart from that, in the back side, we have this DC to DC booster circuit. This is XL6009 DC to DC booster, which can step up the voltage up to 35 volts. We have this toggle switch to record or play, and then we have the speaker, which gives the output. Now coming to the schematic of the system. As you can see, the whole system is based around this Arduino Nano microcontroller. We can power it either by the battery, that is 18650 cell, or by connecting our power cable directly to the charger module, or connecting a power cable directly to the Arduino Nano. Now, when we are having the battery is giving 3.7 volt to the charger module, which is providing the same voltage to the boost converter. The boost converter is stepping up the voltage from 3.7 volt to 6.6 volt and providing it to the VN pin and ground pin of Arduino. To make the system work, a microcontroller has to send and receive the data. And how we do that? We have D2 as a send pin and from D3 to D10 as a receiver pin. The D2 is common for all the pads and D3 to D10 are for individual pads. So our receiver pins are connected through a 1 mega ohm resistor, and if required we need to have a capacitance which is connected to the ground to eliminate any noises that occurs. D12 is connected to the enable pin of the switch, which enables or disables the recording mode. When the pin is pull high, it starts recording, and when it is low, it starts playing. The buzzer is also connected to the ground as well as the A4 pin, which is giving the analog output to the buzzer, thus playing the song. How to make your own Arduino based capacitive piano and get your PCBs fabricated. So first download the Gerber file from the link in the description below, and then on the link bar type PCBWay.com. It will take you to the home page of PCBWay, which will look something like this. Now if you're not a registered user, just register in and you'll get a $5 discount coupon as well. Since I'm registered and I'm already signed in, so I'll skip this step. Now mention the dimension of your PCB and choose the quantity of your PCB. So I'll mention it as 100. and width of the PCB is 50. I'll choose 5 of the PCBs to be delivered to me. Now since my PCB is just a 2-layer PCB, so I'll leave it as such, and the thickness I want is 1.6 mm. So now I'll go to the code now. Clicking there, you'll be taken to a new page. In this page, you get an option to customize your PCB. You can change the color of the silk screen or the size of your vias or thickness of your tracks. There are a lot of customization options and you can select as per your needs. So select your country wherever you are from. Since I am from India, I have selected it as India. And since I am not in short of time, so I'll be selecting Post NL International Mail, where this is the cheapest option. I'll apply and check if all the details are correct, and that's how you want your PCB. And now save to cart. You'll be taken to a new page. Here all you have to do is add your Gerber file, which you have already downloaded from the link below. And after adding your Gerber file, just click on the submit order now. After submitting your order, after clicking this button, it will take 5 to 10 minutes to review and analyze your Gerber files. Now all you have to do is wait for your PCBs to arrive. After waiting for a few days, I received my PCBs in a neatly packaged white box with PCB Way symbol. The PCBs were really well packaged. They were kept inside the bubble wrap. As you can see, the quality of the PCB is really good. Everything from tracks to pads to wires, everything is neatly made, and all I was left was assembling the board. After assembling the project, all you have to do is power it on by plugging in the battery and press the reset button of Nano. It calibrates the capacitance, and now you can start playing. And when you toggle it to the play mode, it will replay your sound. So that's all about this project. All the additional data is given in the description below. You can click on the link to find more about it. All the Gerber files, schematics, and code are also provided in the link below. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet next time with another interesting project from CircuitDigest. Thank you.